Hello, my name is Yuri. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make changes to territories using export and import. I'm signed in as a sales administrator, and I navigate to territories. Let's view the details. The Global Healthcare Sales Territory covers all industries. I want this territory and all its child territories to cover the automotive industry. Rather than changing every child territory manually, I'll make all my changes in a spreadsheet. I select the parent territory and export its complete hierarchy. Let's check on the status of the export. The process completed, so I download the export file. I save the compressed file to my computer. I open the compressed file and extract the 4 CSV files. I open the coverage file first so I can add the industry coverage to all territories. I add an empty row below each territory row. It's important for all the rows to have the same language, so I copy the language, territory number, and territory name to the new rows. The coverage type is dimensional, and the dimension name is industry. I must enter the new industry in the dimension member key and the dimension member name columns. I copy the values to all the territories. I close the file and overwrite the existing file. Next, I update the territory header file. I must enter replace in the action column for all territories. Then the import process will create new versions in the proposal with complete definitions. I overwrite the CSV file and compress the 4 files so I can import my changes. I give the compressed file a new name. I import my changes to a generated proposal. Here is my import file. OK starts the import. Here I can view the import status. Let's check the results of the import. I open the new Import of Proposal. Here are the new territories in the industry dimension. When I activate this proposal, the Global Healthcare Sales Territory and all its children will be defined using the automotive industry. Thank you.